Kani kadiga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagamenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Ka Sorkar jela kala rai bakan Daiñ Kuna ya ki Paidbah nong shong shnong jong jela ki ba Pynslem ban Siew ya ka Thang Bording nrei kumba kalong mentahi ka Sorkar kala krenshai bakan nam map satya ya ka Thang ding jong ki Paidbah. Menteri jong ka Sorkar jela u James PK sangma ha gajing kren bat gilat pathai kubor ulai thu ba ka Sorkar kala shim ya kani karai namar ba ka don kam ban Siew tulap ya ki nong trei jong tanat penmi Bording.
We understand that people were unable to go out, pay their electricity bills, especially those who do not have access to the internet, to maybe go online and pay their bills online. So we can understand that problem that they have had, but in terms of completely waiving off that will not be possible. That has been made very clear. But we will not be charging delayed payment surcharges. Sympathies are there. We understand that economic activities have, but then you also have to look at it from the point of view that MSCL also has certain employees whose salaries have to be paid. Now, if MSCL waives off, it will be affected very badly, and then in turn, MSCL would be unable to pay salaries to its employees. So we need to see the whole picture and understand that although it is a very difficult time and challenging time for everybody, but certain things cannot be done. But in consideration of the fact that people have had difficulty in paying their bills, yes, we will not be charging delayed payment charges.